MPN 651010. Country of manufacture: United States. Manufacturer: Plano Molding. Portable toolbox. Number of compartments 1. Overall width 21/4 in. Overall height 10/7/8 in. Overall depth 9/1/8 in. Material polypropylene. Color gray. Latch type brass bale. Latch color black. Includes heavy-duty handle. Lift-out utility tray. New 20-inch toolbox with bulk storage space and lift-out tray. This toolbox is made from durable plastic and measures 20-1/4 inch L by 10.88 inch W by 9.13 inch H. Top reviews from the United States. Strong, spacious, lightweight A+. If you're looking for a large, well-built toolbox that's lightweight, look no more. The large removable top shelf is very accommodating, it all closes up nicely, and has a comfortable carrying handle. It would be great for organizing anything. It's roomy, strong, lightweight.